this is the Black Forest Industries black anodized weighted shift knob with perforated black leather. It also came with what looks like a air freshener, but I really don't know what this is. It's got a little string on it. Maybe it's to put on your Christmas tree. I don't know. And then what also comes with this is a couple little screws and an Allen key. And these are used to clamp onto the shift stick. This is a 12 millimeter. There's also a tie strap to connect the shift boot to the top or to the bottom of the shift knob. And then this is the medallion that goes on the top that comes with it. And then I also bought a black one to make the car even a little bit blacker. Yeah, hard to shoot it. But believe me, this one here is blacker than that one. For a little while, I thought that this might be a coaster. It is, in fact, an air freshener. Although, whew, it's kind of strong. I don't know what it is. There's a little bit of citrus. I don't know if I want it in my car, but I'll give it a shot. All right, to install the shift knob into the boot. The boot has 3 pieces of leather. See, this is the narrow side, so goes to the back of the car. The wide side goes to the front. So the back side has a panel, and there's a right side panel and a left side panel, and then a seam up the front. I want this seam to face the back of the car. So first, you turn this inside out. Okay, out with the old and busted Little Trees leather scent, and in with the Brock's Tuning kind of citrusy mystery scent, at least until I get tired of it. Coming down the next day and getting into a car that's been sitting in the hot sun all day, this air freshener definitely is strong. Kind of overpowering. I'm hoping it fades quickly or I will have to ditch it. This is the shifter I bought off of AliExpress years ago. And while it's done pretty good, you can see there's not really any wear on it. As soon as I bought it, I never liked the red striping, and this is all just vinyl. Also, even when you clamp it down, it doesn't have a lock on the shaft, so it just spins really easily. So I'm going to rip this off and put on my new one. Technically it's still usable. So you can drop that. Oh, wow. Looks like I can adjust the height a little too. Okay, I'm going to put it right there. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. But I have the black on black Black Forest Industries. quite some impressions of the Black Forest Industries weighted shift knob. Yeah, it feels good. It sits a little lower than I'm used to, but I notice when I put it on, there is a little bit of movement for adjustment, so I'll probably raise it about a ½ an inch just to get it back to where I'm used to having my my hand positioned. But aside from that, it feels good. It shifts smooth. You can definitely feel the weight difference. It's not like a miraculously better shifter. For that, we're gonna have to wait till I install my short shifter. That should make a huge difference. But for now, I'm happy with it. I think it looks great, and it feels really good as well.
Please remember to like and subscribe.